Hey guys, welcome back to Boost Hunter Garage. I know it's been a little while. As you can see, we're in a little bit of a different setting here. We're down in Idaho. We're in the between of moving here, but today we're going to be throwing some new wheels on the White Whale. Picked up some new tires and wheels for it because I had kind of melted these tires off this thing and doing some burnouts. So we'll get to it here. It's just going to be a quick video. I went with some 17-inch method wheels through CJC Off-Road. They're exclusive ones, meant to be able to fit a 35 or a 37 on these trucks with basically a leveling kit or like a 3-inch lift. And then I went with some Nitto Ridge Grapplers, 35 by 12.5s. And I did order some new control arms, the Carly control arms, because as it is, these tires I have on here rub a bit, and those control arms should push that front axle forward a little bit after getting that lift on there. Just throws the geometry off, but they didn't come in yet, so we'll get this put on. We'll see how bad they rub. Sorry for the wind noise here, so we'll probably just set the camera up and film just throwing them on. Well, there you have it, guys. We got the new wheels and tires on there. I'm super happy with the way they look. Definitely a different look. I do like big wheels also, like 22s and stuff like that, but for the type of driving I do, this definitely more suits it. Kind of taking this truck in the direction of kind of a do-all overland kind of truck. So yeah, I'm super happy with the way they look. I was looking at a wheel that was another method wheel that was bronze and black, and maybe down the road I would powder coat those that direction, but for now we'll stick with this, try them out, see how we like them. And for the rubbing, I just took it for a quick spin there. It's rubbing a bit, but really not much more than the other tires were. They're closer in size than I was thinking. For some reason I was thinking those other tires were a bit smaller than they were. I do have to tighten these kickback flaps. I ripped out the bottom screws, and that's what's allowing it to come forward, and that's really where it's rubbing, is just on the inside. So I picked up some more screws. I just need to put those in, get those mounted back. If not, I'll trim it a bit, but I think once we have that control arm on there, they shouldn't rub at all, because it's going to kick that front axle forward a little bit. And on the control arm, there is a notch in it, because you can tell even where my old tires were rubbing on the control arm. So overall, super happy with them. Maybe down the road here, we'll give a bit of review on these tires, see how I like them, how they handle, kind of how loud they are. From what I've read and stuff, review-wise, they're supposed to be pretty good for an aggressive tire. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.